Good day, everyone. Welcome to Jamovi for Educational Research Tutorial Series, Episode 12, McNemar Test. What is McNemar test? The McNemar test is used to determine if there are differences on a dichotomous dependent variable between two repeated measures. It can be considered to be similar to the paired samples t-test, but for a dichotomous rather than a continuous dependent variable. It is used to analyze pre-test post-test study designs, as well as being commonly employed in analyzing matched pairs and case-control studies. If you have more than two repeated measures, you could use Cochrane's Q-test. In order to run a McNemar test, you should have one categorical dependent variable with two categories, or dichotomous variable, and one categorical independent variable with two related groups. The two groups of your dependent variable must be mutually exclusive. This means that no groups can overlap. In other words, a participant can only be in one of the two groups. They cannot be in both groups at the same time. Lastly, the cases or the participants should be from a random sample from the population of interest, although in practice this is not always how sampling took place. Let's have this sample situation. Teacher Nico wants to determine if gamification e-learning will improve the attendance of students during online class. He compared the attendance of students before and after implementing gamification e-learning. And here are the tasks that we will go through in this tutorial. Perform the test, interpret the results, report the analysis. We have here a dataset comprising the attendance before and after conducting the intervention, which is gamification e-learning. Once your dataset has been successfully imported in the Jamovi software, you're now ready to perform the test. So make sure to keep your focus on the process. Let us now begin. When it comes to interpretation of results, these are the parts that you have to pay attention to. Let's look at the contingency table. This is how we can explain it. As you can see, before the intervention was conducted, among 94 students, 24 were absent and 70 were present. Now, after the gamification e-learning from the 24 students who were absent before conducting it, 4 of them were still absent, but 20 were now present. From the 70 students who were present before, 3 of them were still absent, and 67 of them were still present. If we will look at the other side of the table, from 24 students, only 7 were absent, and from 70 students, 87 were now present after conducting the intervention. If looking at this table confuses you, you may have other options by getting the frequencies. Just click the descriptives in the exploration tab and check the frequency tables. Now for the McNemar test results, always look at the p-value, which should be less than 0.05 for it to be significant. This analysis report follows the APA format. Take note of the terms in blue font and the format of reporting values in red font. The study aims to determine if gamification e-learning will improve the attendance of students during online class. McNemar's test was conducted to determine if there is a significant difference in the proportion of students who were present and absent before and after the intervention was implemented. The result revealed that the attendance of students improved significantly after implementing gamification e-learning represented by the given values. And that ends this session. Thank you for watching Jamovi for Educational Research Tutorial Series. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you next time.